Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to learn the topic alter and rename command with the help of MySQL Workbench. So let's start the video.
So let's start this video. Our first command is alter. So let's see what all alter can do. First thing is add or remove column. The next thing is modify varchar and its length. The next thing would be rename the column. Fourth thing would be rename the table. Rename the table. The fifth thing would be add constraints to it. So let's go step by step. We'll do this add and remove column. For that, open your MySQL workbench. Yeah. Enter the password. Okay, we have entered it. This is the retake I'm taking. Okay. So let's open our MySQL workbench and we'll see these commands. Enter the password. Switched on. Okay. Now, first of all, let's write the previous table which we have created in the previous video. That was hello, right? Use hello. It's done. Now we can see this one also, that okay, our table was students. Yeah, this was our table. Okay. So we have written use hello. Now let's do one thing. Let's add one column. So alter table. What is the name of our table? It is students. Okay. Add column. What is the name of the column? Say, let's suppose we take email. Email, let it be varchar of 150. Okay. Now just run this query. Alter table, add column varchar successfully. Now we can check this also. Click on this. Yeah, see, this has been added. Okay. This has been added here. And the data type has also been changed for this one. Okay, now let's write the query for removing this one. It is much too similar. It would be alter table. What is the name of the table? Students. Drop. What is the name of the column? Drop column. What is the name? Email. Just do this. Execute. Now again check it. See, email has been deleted. We can do this for different ones also. Let's do it for phone. Drop column, phone. Okay, so now phone has been dropped. You can check this out. There is no phone available over here. Okay, now let's come back to this one. Okay, so we have learned add, we have learned remove. Now let's come on to this one. modify the data type. Okay. Yeah. So how we can modify the data type? Alter table, students, modify. What we can do is, what is the name of the column? Say for email. Right. Varchar. Okay, there is no column actually email. So what all columns do we have? Let me check it. We have section, DOB, gender, name and class. So ID was int. Let's change its data type to varchar. Okay. Modify column int to varchar 150. It was, sorry, it was not int, it was ID. Yeah. Okay. It has been modified. We can check it also. Again, run this one. Result get right this is, yeah, see, field ID type varchar. Okay, we have changed the data type. Okay, come back to this one. What is the next we need to do? Modify varchar. Yes, we can also modify its length. So let's change its length to 1500. Execute this. Again, this has been executed. We can check this table once more. Field type, see, display size 1500. Okay, this is the way by which we can change the length also. Okay, now this is done, this is done. Now let's come on to rename the column. How can we rename the column? Where it is, yeah, let's close all the unnecessary tabs. Yeah, so alter table, students, rename. What is the rename? Rename column to, what is the name of the column? To ID to what we can put it, say for put role. Okay, write this. Now again, let's check our table. See, there is no ID left, it is only role. So by this way we can rename the column again. So our next task is to rename the table. Let's do this. Go to the workbench again. So we need to rename the table. Alter table, students, rename to say AccioJob. Run this query. Now we need to refresh the schema. Check this out. The table name has been changed to AccioJob. So let's come on to our next task. Our next task is to add constraints. Okay, let's again come back to this one. Alter table, students, modify, add primary key to which table? Say for role. Remove this thing. Yeah, alter table, students, add primary key to role. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry, I have put this for students. Now the table name is not student, it is AccioJob. That's why it did not run. Specified was too long. Key length is 30272. Okay, they are saying no worries. Then what we can do is we can first of all change its data type. They are saying that the max key length is 3072 byte and it is more than that, which I have told you earlier. So let's do one thing. First of all, change its data type to int. Okay, alter table AccioJob modify column role to, to int. Okay, okay, this has been changed. We can check this also. It has been converted to integer now. Okay, let's come back. Now let's our previous query, alter table AccioJob. Now we need to actually set primary key, add primary key to which table? To role. Now let's run this query. Yeah, see, this has been successfully executed. Let's check this out. Okay, this is now set to primary key. You can check this also. Integer role. Okay, result grid. Okay, now we have set the primary key. Because we did not put any value by default, so it is giving all the values to null. Okay, so let's come on to the next one. Alter is done now. Let's come on to rename. So rename has one purpose to solve. It actually renames the table. So let's do it. Let's write this query. Rename table AccioJob to, say again, we go back to students. Okay, this has been executed successfully. See, this has been changed. So this was the purpose of rename, which could also be solved with the help of alter. So that's all for this video. We'll meet you in the next one. Thank you.